Hello, Headway in the shed. Look, got stacked up stuff. Chuck stuff on one side of the shed over here. And see. You can see it stacked up pretty good and tight over there. Still got to get in that corner, but this is all stacked up. I know what it is. I know where it is. It's organized a little better. See, we got some stacked up stuff, but I know what it is. And there's the insulation we're going to use, and I got stuff just stacked up there. Some camping gear, and I know where things are. I got my cabinet with a few things in it. And this side needs to be taken down and stuff because that's where I'm going to work. This is my desk underneath. And this is the couch I'm trying to get over in that area. But anyways, as far as things go, it looks a lot better than it did. And got a lot of more space to walk and move around that I didn't have before. It might look a little tacky and a little stacked still. But I'm about to break down the stacks.